An issue I ran into with this gorgeous hardware is that the screws that they had sent with it did not fit. They were too short for these drawers, I guess because the drawers were a little thicker. So then I took these what are they called? Breakaway screws and my Klein tool. And what you do is this Klein tool is fabulous, actually. I can't tell you how much use I've gotten out of it over the years. So what you do is you take your breakaway screw, or it doesn't even have to be a breakaway screw. You can just put a longer screw in there that fits your hardware. Obviously, it's way too long at this point. So you screw it into this Klein tool, and you have different sizes of holes depending on what screw you're using. You screw it in, and then you snap it off at the exact length that is required to fit your hardware into whatever furniture you're putting it on. So I have to say again, this Klein tool has saved the day numerous times for me, and I just love it. And again, I'll leave the link down below if you're interested in giving it a try.